Hello Studio Squad, for everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio. In this video, I am unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro in the color gold. This is the only iPhone that comes in the color gold. The price tag for this phone is $1,000. I do not like the frosted matte back. The gold around the edges is nice. That's all I saw while I was in the store, because the floor model was bolted down to the display case, so I was not aware that it was matte on the back. Inside of the box is the phone along with a Lightning to USB-C cable, the Apple sticker, and the papers that the iPhone came with. It does not include any headphones or a power adapter. There is also this tool inside of the box. I had to purchase my own power adapter, and I just use my headphones that I already had. I also use my iPhone AirPods that I purchased from Best Buy. This has a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display. Apple claims that the ceramic glass is the ultimate shield and tougher than any other smartphone glass. I will take their word, and I am not going to test that out. I see that they have updated the look of some of the app icons. The stainless steel edging of this phone is surgical grade. I purchased this phone so that I can use it for my business, and I'm about to take my first product photos with this phone. Of course, I do have studio equipment like professional cameras and lenses to use, but it's very convenient to hold something this small and take photos with it. All of the product photos on my website are the shape of squares. I have lots of products, therefore I need to take a lot of photos, and this phone definitely has the storage capacity for that. The iPhone 12 Pro comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. I only used 32 gigabytes on my last iPhone, which was an iPhone 8 Plus. If I would like to record some videos featuring my products, I can do that with this phone as well. This iPhone 12 Pro can record in 4K. Here's a couple of the photos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.